Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
At this point of time, it is with pleasure and with blessings, God's blessings, that I declare this year's sesquicentennial sports meet of the Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School inaugurated.
Ialehkai West Shillong constituency wa polling do ulapli Pyrda Lympung Ialehkai sport kebashi sejisnem Jong Skul Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School Shillong ya keblatip kum ke annual school sports meet arhajar arpunriu. Kini ketiga skul kebeladap mentashis pasan postnem naduk belaseng yaka hausnem ke praspa nyupunriu hagipor baka Shillong ketiga nong ba Jong ke Assam. Haga niga sengis dangki kena skul gleshim benta ke march pass bad haga mass drill. Habakaran kumukong san haga niga Lympung ba polling do lapan kan mau ki kena skul baborok kitip ya kesengi khala Jong babenu lakhaya ki bat nang nisha khmat kidiban pusan bha hala di marwe bat ban buru ke jingkili bale lakhaya ki hasla perthei bat lada kilap ya ke jubab kinsala kumnu ban perang ila ke Jong ke jingim lakit bok ke skul pakan ya shakhmat ke jing shakri Jong ka ban penang pensta ki khenna ki bedai ka lawai Jong kari.
Abun.
We gather today for the opening ceremony of the sesquicentennial annual school sports meet 2026 of this temple of learning, the Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School. I am struck by one fact. You started your journey in 1876. Just 2 years after Shillong became the capital of undivided Assam. 2 years into this town of ours at that point of time, today becoming a city where this part of Shillong has become old Shillong and the other part of Shillong is growing by leaps and bounds, New Shillong. That's the journey of 150 years. I'm reminded of a poem by Lord Alfred Tennyson, The Brute, when he says, "For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever." Whoever are here on the dais, whoever are there in the gallery, they have come, at a point will also come when they will go. But Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School will keep on going. And that is a challenge to all of you. How do you take your school forward? I'm impressed by the march past and the display during the parade by the different houses. Yellow, green, red, blue, which just goes to prove that for life to be beautiful, you need a combination of all colors. No garden is beautiful if all the flowers are only of one single color. That is the beauty of Shillong, a confluence of influences which has seen various communities not only inhabiting this capital city but also contributing to its success story. My brief message to our young friends here, and I believe you will bear with me for 3 minutes. I'll not take more than that. I know your attention span, especially in the era of the iPhone. Let me say this to you. It's very important. Do you all remember your birthdays? Students, do you remember your birthdays? Now, it's very important to you to remember your birthday, because when your birthday comes, you get celebrations, you get gifts, you get parties. That's why you remember. But the second, now you know when you were born. Please keep this in mind. You now have to search for the reason why you were born. Why? When? That you know. September, October, you know the month, you know the date. Now try to find out why. When you find out the why, then you know how to pursue your goal in life. That is my challenge. That is my message. And before I resume my seat, let us all I would especially request our young students here, please repeat after me. This is my message to all of you. Please repeat. I will take care of my thoughts. Can you please stand up? You'll have more energy. Yes. I will take care of my thoughts. For my thoughts will turn into my words. I will take care of my words. For my words will turn into my actions. I will take care of my actions. For my actions will turn into my habits. I will take care of my habits. For my habits will turn into my character. I will take care of my character. For my character will turn into my destiny. Please keep those words, internalize them, and that will be the single biggest takeaway from today's program. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.